Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about the secret to sound a little more professional while framing your sentences in English. This trick also helps you in sounding more articulate. The secret is called one word replacements. Whenever we talk or discuss things, we often use simple phrases, but a single precise word can elevate your language and make you sound incredibly smart and professional. These aren't just random words, they are often adjectives that condense a phrase into a single word, thereby helping you achieve conciseness in your speech and making it clear. Also, using adjectives in your sentences to talk about things and define activities can actually elevate the level of your communication, and it can also make you sound like an interesting speaker. Think of it as verbal efficiency. So, suppose someone is offering you something to eat. It is a packed thing which does not have anything written on it, and you're not sure how long ago was it packed. So, instead of saying, "Is this safe to eat?" you can simply say, "Is this edible?" There you have a simple and neat sentence, which makes you sound like a better speaker. Now, let me tell you why one word replacements are considered to be a powerful communication skill. Number one, it brings in clarity and conciseness, as I spoke about earlier. Remember, in professional interactions and professional settings, time is precious. Using a single word helps to get your point across faster and more direct. Instead of saying we need to create a chart which can be measured, you can simply say we need to create a chart that is measurable. Or simply, the chart needs to be quantifiable. Reason number two, vocabulary and sophistication. When you use a one word replacement, it shows that you have a broader vocabulary and a stronger command over English language. So, suppose you are going for an interview, or you are appearing for an interview for a promotion, or you are simply appearing for IELTS. Using one word replacements can actually show that you have a better command over the English language. Using one word replacements signal confidence and expertise to your clients, your colleagues, or anyone else who is listening to you. And reason number three, gravitas, which means sounding more authoritative or carrying more weight with what you are trying to say, thereby creating a lasting impression. For example, when you use a precise word like audible instead of easy to hear, your language and your sentence carries more weight and showcases authority. Now, let's discuss a few of these one word replacements, and I'm also going to share a couple of sample sentences with you. Number one, edible, which means something that is safe to eat. The wild mushrooms are beautiful, but are they edible? Another example, we need to ensure that all the ingredients are edible before serving the dish. Number two, potable, not portable, potable, Potable. This means something that is safe to drink. Like, is the water from the waterfall potable? Or our building does not offer potable water. We have to buy water from outside. Number three, visible, something that is easy to see. From the top of the hill, the entire city is visible. The progress of this project is clearly visible. Next is audible, easy to hear. The speaker's voice during the meeting was barely audible. Or make sure while presenting online you are audible to every participant. The next one is legible, something that is easy to read. The doctor's prescription is not at all legible. The notes that my friend shared with me were clearly legible. Next is portable. This time it's portable, which means easy to carry. New laptops are more portable than old ones. Or make sure to take the portable speaker for the trip. The next one is tangible, which means something that can be touched or felt. A team bonus is a tangible way of showing our appreciation. Or we need to see some tangible results from the promotional activity. Next is quantifiable, which means something that can be measured. We need to set quantifiable goals to track our success. The impact of the new policy is not yet quantifiable. Let's look at another one, comprehensible, which means something that can be easily understood. Her explanation of the complex topic was incredibly comprehensible. Or, please speak in a language that is comprehensible to everyone in the team. And one last one, doable. Something that can be easily done. I think our plan is doable with the current resources that we have. Or completing the project by the end of the week is probably doable. Okay, so those were some examples for you, and I hope that you have now understood the importance of using the one word replacement. To help you master this skill, I have compiled a special resource for you. I have a free PDF of 100 high level words and their uses along with their meanings. This will help you sound even more professional and thorough with the English language. You can simply download it by signing on to my portal. As mentioned, this PDF is absolutely free, and honestly, it is my gift to all of you. All you need to do is check the description box of this video. There is a link mentioned. Click on that link, sign up on my learning portal, and download your free PDF. It is going to be an excellent tool for you to help you practice and integrate these powerful words in your day-to-day conversations. So remember, sounding confident and professional isn't about using big or fancy vocabulary. It is rather about using the right word at the right time. By replacing simple, redundant phrases with a single powerful word, you will be able to communicate more effectively. You will also be able to demonstrate stronger vocabulary and build confidence in your overall approach. So I hope you are going to download and make use of the PDF and keep learning, keep exploring. If you are wanting to work on your communication and confidence, then definitely when you get to my portal, you can check out the 4-week Confident Communication Kickstart program. It's a self-paced course and you can directly sign up for it from my portal. Right now, till Independence Day, it is on a special offer for 499 rupees only. So if you like the content, you can sign up for it and get started with your learning at your own pace. So with that, I'm going to wrap up today's video. However, I'm going to see you tomorrow with another new one. Till then, you take care of yourself. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And also, if you like the PDF that I have created for you and if you have downloaded it, then let me know in the comment section as well. I would love to hear from you. All right, then. Take care. Goodbye.